So if you go on my TikTok page, it says book Lingala lessons. There's arrows pointing down. There's a link that says calendly.com, Lingala to English. You click on that. Takes you to this page here. And this page is, you're about to open an external website. Be cautious and keep your personal information safe. Then you click on open in red there at the bottom. And that opens you up to my Calendly page. Here you can see the number of courses that I'm running. You can book all of those. And if you decide on one that's appropriate for you, let's say you click on consultations, it brings you to this page. You check what date and time I'm available. You book it. You put your email, your information. You put, if you want to have like a phone call, for video call, WhatsApp, iMessage, whatever. Yeah, so it's really simple. Put your name, information, finalize the booking there where it says scheduled events and in blue. You click on that, and then that's how you really book my lessons. Really simple and straightforward.